Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Monday, January 13th. Hope you all had a great weekend. I had a good day today, up 755. Followed my trade plan. All of my trades were successful today. If we go into the chart, VIX was up quite a bit overnight. The S&P opened down about 1%, and it rallied all day today, and actually closed up on the day. So pretty good day for the bulls. Volatility actually got sucked out if we go to the VIX here. So we opened at 8:30 here around 2140, and we closed 1919. So a pretty big down move. So volatility just got taken out of the market on another account that I do a lot of short strangles in. That was up nice today. A lot of premium came out, but one other nice thing about the SPX is even though we rallied 70 points today, my calls were not in danger. So the call side, I had the 58.55 call. So opened it up here shortly after the market opened when it was at 57.75, and had a long way to go to get to 55. So got about 15 points away here at the very last minute, but was never really tested, even though we had a big rally. And I think a lot of that came into play because around lunchtime we were basically unchanged on the day. The rally was the last 4 hours of the day. So if we would have got this rally off right away in the morning, I might have been stopped out. And we did get a good rally here until just before 10 o'clock, but we came back down. So that's one nice thing about doing a morning trade is if you get a little bit of a sideways action and around lunchtime, especially you're about break even, then your trade's going to be nice as long as vol isn't pumped up. But like for an FOMC meeting, but on a normal day, it gets sucked out and gets you in profit. So if you want to take profits early, that's totally fine. And then in the afternoon, we had that bullish trend. So at 12:30, I put on my trade, and then shortly after 1:30, I put on another short put, the 57.80. So even at 12:30, when we were at 58.20, I could still go 40 points lower and still get about that 125 in credit. So I was able to go really far away. So that was nice. And even after 1:30, when the market was rallying here, I was able to go down 25 points and still get a decent credit. So on these red candles here, I did have a short or a small loss on this trade, but I didn't close. I closed that on a breach, and it was never tested, so ended up well today. Hoping tomorrow is also a decent day. Really just want to focus on sticking to my trade plan and not over trading, and just getting back on track with what I'm doing. I had a bigger loss last week, so I'm still down on the account, but making it back, and hopefully here by the end of February I'm back into the green for sure. So doing that, just taking it one day at a time, and if you have a red day today, then just eat it and come back tomorrow and follow your trade plan. So I use Option Omega for my back testing, and I've been trading those back tests. I did them last year, and it ended up really well. So as long as I stick to the plan and not try to psych myself out, then we should be good come the end of the year. So hopefully that is to come. And then also my account, if you haven't been following along, but I also have 25 T-bills. Open those at 960. They're at 961 now. If I wanted to close, those are for the day after Christmas 2025. So those will mature soon. Tomorrow morning at 7:30, we have CPI coming out. So we'll see if there's any movement at 7:30. I would expect something to move the market up or down. It'll be interesting to see what the futures do overnight here. If they bring them back down. The last couple of days they've been down overnight, so kind of a change in the market here. I've said before, I think Q1 will be a down quarter, but I'm not short anything, so that's just a prediction. This week is January expiration. Typically a bullish week historically. A lot of leaps coming off and new leaps being put on for a couple years out. Usually they use January expiration is a pretty popular expiration, so I expect this week to be pretty busy. Today, 1.7 million contracts, well above the 1 million kind of average. Less than Friday, but still good volume. I'd expect volume to stay relatively high this week. So I would not be surprised if we have a similar day tomorrow where it's part of the day is sideways and then the other part is a very trend heavy day. So we'll see what tomorrow brings in the week, but just taking it day by day and trade what's in front of you. So hope you guys had a great weekend and a good day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.